Oh, game 2.
Game 2.
With kiwis.
I'll eat my chocolate cookie.
Set 4, Sega.
Oh. Have fun.
Are you using this?
Yeah, I've done it already.
Solemn warning.
Attack!
Nope, it's good.
So 3, go.
Uh-oh.
Go. It hurts. I knew it.
Having a heat-up match over here.
Go ahead.
You like my awesomeness? What's he do?
He, special summons the guy when the equip guy's gone.
So how much should I value my rabbits when we go on Saturday?
This one's fine.
Enter battlefields.
It's fine.
Set 1. Go.
Chain. Does the fuck?
Right?
What does he do again?
When the equip card sent to the graveyard has special summons in Insector, that's not Dragonfly from my deck. Might have fucked it. Activate effect.
I'm just saying, I would be.
Go ahead.
You know, it's like that one celebrity.
That's a wind-up rabbit.
So you detach
What's a rabbit?
his effect.
This
It's those little furry creatures.
Can I read this?
Yeah.
Is this what detaches?
Is that what that is?
This
Yeah,
is
he
what
detaches. So the only thing this guy
If
does,
only YouTube knew
and then when this guy gets sent, he's
to get the video flagged.
If only you came on the freaking web chat the other day.
Oh, I'm sorry that you want to invite people when I'm asleep.
You're sleeping at 6 o'clock in the evening.
It was called a nap.
No, that's you said you were sleeping.
It's a nap.
Yeah, how come you like did the live stream doing it right now?
Because he wanted to.
I clicked it and I was like, eh. Like I went in there, I saw you guys playing some Yu-Gi-Oh! I was like, eh.
Forward hint?
Yep.
Then he wants to invite people when I'm not even on there, and they all get mad. Good job.
It's called answering your phone.
It's called sleeping.
At 6 o'clock.
Napping.
You just said sleeping. Which one is it?
Napping.
How long were you napping for?
Until like when I text you back like at 10 or 11.
You napped for 4 hours.
Yes.
That's not a nap.
And sleeping.
You're napping and sleeping. So when did it stop? When did it stop at napping and become sleeping?
Oh!
That's fine.
3 and head?
Yep.
Tour head?
Doesn't even miss a beat.
It's a tour guide. Hopefully this takes 6 hours so we can show how this camera really works.
Anything?
No.
Okay.
I would say probably not.
Okay.
Wouldn't be surprised if he did.
Super dark.
That's his Zenmaity.
Activate?
Yeah.
His new name's Zenmaity.
Zen mates. Aye, matey. That's why it is, Zen matey.
Zenmaity with the hunter
Centipede. What?
going to discard the hand. How fun.
Tour guy.
No, really.
Arm.
Armor, so the bottomless would have been good then. Is that dark hole?
Yeah.
Okay.
Attack.
That's a dark hole.
Take, he goes 21. Yeah, take 3. Attack. Yep.
That's a rat because he wants to keep going with this combo. Discarding more cards.
Does he have to be
Discard.
Everyone just made 3 effect failures.
His own.
Oh, you're playing your
No, if I'm a CM, he's on Centipede right now. Like, I don't get to destroy a card.
Yeah, okay, but you still get to search.
Yeah,
Yay, rat, you're having so much fun.
Yeah, what will you do?
Giddy up,
he
giddy
does,
up,
right?
giddy up.
Okay, that's what I thought.
Rat and Hunter, yay.
Hunter and Rat and Friends.
Last card?
Hunter and Rat and Friends.
Rat and Friends.
I
That's what,
forgot what
that's what the deck should be called.
Rat and Friends.
You still might. You're good.
What?
25?
Yep.
Go ahead.
Decree.
Hip hip hooray.
Go ahead.
Sure.
I did read portfolio. You did not.
Bam.
25.
You have 1 card on the field. Yep. 1, 2, and what are you at?
Go ahead.
52.
What's left?
3K, 6K.
Okay.
Called the wrong name.
Yep.
It's very likely that I love
Yay! Kiwis is so happy. Look at him. It is his victory.
Kiwis, you're the man.
It is the victory pose.
Excited.